When I first introduced the car, I had a request for a numbers video, and the block and the transmission were so dirty that I couldn't read the numbers. So now that I have the engine out of the car, I'm doing the numbers video. So here we go. So L09, which I believe is July 9th. And I'll just read all the numbers for now, and then we'll go back and decode all these numbers. So the trim is 414. And the paint code is 975. I think that's a 5. Yeah, 975. So on the block, this is the engine code. Let's see if I can do that without causing a glare. It says V0705HO. And I'm not going to do the serial number. I can assure you that the serial number does match the VIN on the car. All right, so now for the block. So as I said, the block number is so dirty, I'm gonna have to clean that, try to clean that off, see if we can read that. Yeah, it's still hard to read. Okay, so I think it is 3914678. I missed a number earlier when I was getting all the codes. Apparently there's a date code here somewhere under all of this grime, so I'm gonna see if I can find it. Okay, I hope I'm reading this right. I see a 6, a 2, and an 8, and then there's another number here that's either a 3 or an 8. Okay. All right, let's do the heads. The head numbers are 3917291, and underneath of it there's a F258. And then on the other side is 3917291 and F288. Oh yeah, almost forgot. We have the intake manifold. Is 3927184. I would show you the carburetor, but, well, you know, here's the carburetor. But we know that it is the wrong carburetor for this car. It's the, it is a carburetor for, the numbers on it indicate that it's for a 71 350, or, well, a 71 small block automatic. So it's almost the right carburetor, but it's actually an aftermarket, or a remake, or it's a the Julian date on it indicates that it was built in 76. So definitely not right. All right, so I think this is the placard for the information for the transmission. Let's try to clean it off and see what it says. All right. Okay, so it says turbo hydromatic. Has a 534 on it. And then under that, CK 684179. So I believe that it is the original. I believe that 68 indicates that it is. I'm trying to do this so it doesn't cause a glare. I believe that 68 is 68 for 1968. All right, I believe that's all the numbers there are on this car. Thanks.